Hello friends, welcome back to the one video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today again we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title guys Samsung phone guys factory data reset guys. How to reset guys factory data means guys our phone guys all data guys you want to delete each and everything in your phone. So friends, you can delete in your Samsung phone device. So first of all guys, which is guys your phone, important things like photos and video guys share into any another device. After that guys you can reset means guys you can erase guys your old data in your Samsung phone device. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, click on guys your phone general management setting. Then guys scroll it and friends you can see guys Samsung phone reset option. Tap here friends, you can see factory data reset setting guys. So guys tap here friends, you can see factory data, all data will be erased from your phone including friends you can see Google account, system map guide, download app, music, picture, other file and user data will all thing will delete. Then when you will tap on the reset option guys, tap here guys your factory data will reset guys your phone, all data will be erased. Hence you want to erase, so guys you can erase it from here in your Samsung phone device. I don't want to erase but guys you want to erase, so guys tap on reset option, your all data will be erased in your Samsung phone device. So like that guys we can erase guys all data in Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.